parimer diri ni ari sa eskwelahan guys. Parimer guys, Amerikano siya guys, Dawis Elementary School guys, na ini ari diri guys, no? Parimer guys. No, sudra ka na mo dito guys. Diba guys, may parimer guys, no? Nakita na yun guys, mga classmate dito guys, muskulan.
Hi Bazinga, say hi Bazinga. Everybody look at Bazinga.
Kuminking usa. Kumalagdo ang kuminking.
Pero guys, may parimer guys, no? May namin dito guys. Nanon guys. Meron viners.
Ega.
Okay, Bazinga is going to clap. We want you to clap at exactly the same time. Are you ready? Oh, come on everyone. We help you hop. Ready?
Go. Ready? Hinay ko no kayo ko siya.
Sunod.
Sunod siya. Sunod siya. Sige.
Ready?
Sige, sunod siya.
No sound.
Bazinga! For real, okay? Okay.
Swida.
Good job, everyone. Let's see if you can clap on every step I take. Ready? Is everyone ready? I know you are, but what about the team? You're ready? Well done, Poppy. Jules is ready. Yeah, let's introduce everybody. This is my friend Just Jules. She's come all the way from England.
Parimer ko dito guys.
This is my friend Perfect.
Uy, ka-video ni.
She's come all the way from Ireland, but also
Yo,
her character today is from competition.
I-upload na sa Facebook siya.
Can we say hi, Poppy?
Hi.
Oh, this is my lovely friend Rin Hooligan. She's come all the way from New Zealand. Can we say hi, Rin? Thank you. Oh, and the lovely Ethan. My friend Ethan has come all the way from Australia. Wow, can we say hi, Ethan?
Hi.
Oh, thank you. Wait, we are missing one. Gorga.
Sorry guys.
Gorga. Maybe he's on the toilet.
New Zealand. Chicken.
Okay, while we wait for him, should we do another song?
Dog.
I heard you like singing. Yes. Very good. Okay, I'm going to sing a line and then you repeat it, okay? Okay. Alele. Alele tika tomba.
Dodonda.
Same as
Masemasen.
Ooh, out of way, out of way, out of whoa.
Lele.
Alela tika tomba.
Aleka Jumba. Mase.
Ooh, out of way, out of way, out of whoa.
Weh.
Oh, very
Sekarang
good.
guys.